Welcome to A Taste of K. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make Haitian spaghetti with smoked salted herring, known as Espageti ak Aransò. The ingredients I'll be using is smoked salted herring fillets, angel hair spaghetti, oil, épices, parsley, bell peppers, onions, lime, whole cloves, half of a Maggi cube, salt, and tomato paste. In this first pot, I have water. I'll go ahead and add some salt. This is the pot that I'll be using to cook the spaghetti noodles. In the second pot of water, I'll add the smoked salted herring fillet once the water has come up to a boil. In the same pot that I will be boiling the spaghetti noodles, I'll add cloves as well as oil. While waiting for the water to come up to a boil, I'll go ahead and dice up my bell peppers as well as parsley. Remove the peel from the onion, cut it in half. The first half I'll slice it up. The second half I'll go ahead and dice. I cut the lime into 3 pieces. To me, I find it easier to juice that way. The smoked salted herring was cured in salt, so what I'll do is boil it in plain water to help remove some of the excess salt. I allowed the smoked salted herring fillets to boil for 10 minutes before draining. I drained, rinsed under cold water, then added to a pot of water to boil for an additional 5 minutes before draining again. Now that the water is boiling, I'll go ahead and add the angel hair pasta. To cook the pasta, I'll follow the direction that is on the back of the box. Once the pasta is done cooking, go ahead and drain and set aside. This is how the smoked salted herring fillets look after boiling them in water after the second time. I'm using 2 forks to shred them into pieces. In a hot pot, add your cooking oil as well as the épices and allow it to cook. If you would like to see a video on how I make my épices, go ahead and click the link in the description box and it will take you directly to the video. Add half of a Maggi cube, add the diced bell peppers, the diced parsley, as well as the diced onions. Allow the bell pepper, parsley, and onions to cook before adding tomato paste. I lowered the temperature to medium. After allowing the tomato paste to cook thoroughly, go ahead and add the shredded herring. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lime. Add in 1 habanero pepper If you would like the raw heat of the habanero pepper, you can go ahead and burst it. If not, please keep it intact. Slowly add in half a cup of water. Now is the perfect time to check the flavor and see if you need to make any adjustments. Add in a few more tablespoons of water before adding the spaghetti noodles. Gently mix the angel hair pasta until everything is well combined. Add the sliced onions and mix. Cover the pot and allow it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes just so that the sliced onions can cook through. Now there you have it, a nice pot of Haitian spaghetti with smoked salted herring known as Espageti ak Aransò. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.